Hi there, welcome back. There will be many times you need to print out Excel spreadsheet at the office or home office. Often you really don't need to print out the entire report with waste paper, ink, and time. Excel worksheets have many data like logo, images, shapes, many data tables. If you want to print out a specific area of our sheet, we have to define a print area. The steps are simple. The first step is to select the cells I want to print out. So I will select the cell from A1 to C20, and then I will go to Page Layout tab. And from the Page Setup selection, find the Print Area button. Click the Send Print Area to make sure that I will print out exactly what we want. I will go to Print Preview. From File tab and Print, as you can see, it will print only the area I selected. To remove the print area, click the Go Back button. Then to Page Layout tab, Print Area and Clear Print Area, and it will print everything on the screen. This tip is ideal for large worksheets that you want to print a specific part of the data. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.